So it's a valley formation at there para itong marshland, no? You can see mountain ranges on the opposite side.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will be featuring our road trip adventure from Baler Aurora to Maria Aurora town, then to Pantabangan Lake, Rizal, passing through Llanera, Pinagpanaan, then to Aliaga, and until we reach the SC Tex Tarlac Expressway. So that would be our road today, guys, and we will be passing through a lot of rice granary in the central plain of Luzon, which is mostly towns of Nueva Ecija. So makikita nyo guys, mostly yung nasa gilid ng daan, mga palayan. So Nueva Ecija, guys, is known for as the rice granary of Central Luzon. So taniman ng palay talaga ang probinsya ng Nueva Ecija, guys. That is why it is called the rice granary of the Philippines. Now, in the Visayas area, yung Panay Island naman ay yung tinatawag nating rice granary of the Visayas.
Hello ka-wonders, nandito tayo ngayon sa viewing deck na makikita Pantabangan Dam sa likuran. Napakaganda ng view dito. So it's a valley formation at there para itong marshland, no? You can see mountain ranges on the opposite side.
Dito natin makikita yung mga palayan, not only in the part of Palayan City, Cabanatuan and Gapan, but also in the parallel road which passes through Llanera, Pinagpanaan, Talavera and Aliaga town, guys. So actually hindi ito yung daan papunta sa Cabanatuan City. So it's another highway which will also reach the SC Tex Expressway in Tarlac. So ito yung dadaanan natin, guys, kasi ibang ruta ito from the capital of Nueva Ecija, which is Cabanatuan City. Okay, so please join us and continue watching our road trip adventure, kasi yung video na ito ay nakafocus mostly on motorcycle travel. So walang masyadong time tayong huminto at magbablog. So ginawan ko na lang ito ng voice over, kasi it's most likely a road trip. So yun, makikita ninyo, it's actually a whole day trip, kasi nagsimula kami from Baler at around 10 AM. So we had a lunch somewhere in Pantabangan area, and then we traveled all the way going to Tarlac in SC Tex area until we continue our journey towards the expressway going to Mabalacat, Pampanga. So doon sa expressway, that would be our next video. Makikita ninyo yung beautiful and phenomenal, splendid sunset view over the expressway area. So napakaganda guys. So try to follow na lang our journey so that makikita ninyo yung status ng daan from Baler going to Maria Aurora Town, then to Pantabagan, and all the way to the central plain of Luzon guys. So ayan, maganda yung adventure na ito dahil this is my first time to travel on this area via Philippine Loop using my motorcycle together with my other co-riders guys. So yan. So guys, tingnan ninyo yung both sides of the road. Makikita ninyo yung malawak na palayan guys. So it is typical here in the province of Nueva Ecija na talagang napakalawak ng mga palayan dito. So yung iba nga ay parang post-harvest area na, no? At meron pang iba na bago lang na tanan ng palay at makikita niyo yung green color ng palayan. But there are also areas there, mga kawanders, na nagkaroon sila ng burning season, no? May mga area na inaararo pa at preparing for planting, at meron namang mga nababakante. Then may iba naman na meron pang tanim, especially yung mga areas na well irrigated for, so may mga tanim, no? And then look at that guys, no? So it has an amazing and splendid sunset view, especially during this time that I think it's already around 4 past in the afternoon, kasi yung sun ay nasa palubog na, no? So anyway, hindi pa masyado kasi medyo mainit ng konti, pero makikita niyo yung glare na nasa malapit ng itong mag sunset. But anyway, we are still traveling on this road, and wala na kaming nakitang mga bundok guys. So yan, may makikita kayong mga infrastructure buildings, mga paaralan, at saka may mga restaurants sa mga bakanting lote, at may mga konting mga bahay-bahay dahil yung area na ito ay wala namang malalaking syudad na madaanan natin. Mostly small towns, barangays, and yung mga plantation ng palay at mga iba't ibang maliliit na puno. Yan. So this is the central plain of Luzon, somewhere in Nueva Ecija. So just imagine guys, no, sa lawak ng mga lupain ditong palayan ay very vulnerable ito pag magkakaroon ng bagyo guys, at saka wala pang harvest season. Kasi pag malakas yung hangin at malakas din yung ulan, there is a great possibility na yung mga palayan ay masira kasi walang mga bundok na nakapalibot sa lugar na ito. So it's a vast rice field at mga puno ng kahoy lang sa mga boundary yata ng mga lupain yung makapagprotekta ng mga palayan. So just imagine that guys. So may mga area dito na medyo maraming mga bahay-bahay, mga residential at saka mga konting establishment, but medyo cluster bases siya. So pagdating naman sa unahan ay babalik na naman tayo sa malawak na palayan. Yan, makikita ninyo, napakalawak at napakagandang tingnan guys, no. Talagang malawak yung paningin mo dito. So the only problem here, if there is a typhoon, kasi masisira talaga yung palayan kung magkakaroon ng baha at malakas na hangin. So that's why mostly pag nangyari yung typhoon during the time na magsisimula pala magtanim ng palay, at during the time na pag malapit na itong mag-mature for harvesting, masasayang yung effort mo dito guys. So yan, dito makikita may mga residential area na naman, and then nag-cluster ito because this could be part of a town and a barangay. May mga paaralan din, mababang paaralan. So seldom ko nakikita yung mga 3-story or 4-story buildings here ng high schools, no? National high schools, kasi parang mostly mababang paaralan yung nakikita ko. So this area is mostly agricultural in nature guys. Yan, so makikita no, may mga 3-story houses. Yan, itong area na ito parang busy, no, but eventually pagpunta nyo sa unahan ay makikita mo naman yung malawak na lupain. Okay, so yan, this is what the province of Nueva Ecija offers. Kaya yan, so yan, makikita nyo naman nagsisimula namang magkaroon ng malawak na lupain. Alright, yan guys. So guys, we are now traversing to a service road here. It's not the highway, but it's already part of Aliaga Town, Nueva Ecija, guys. So yan. So this is one of the towns before reaching the SC Tex Tarlac. So exit, no, yung parating na tayo sa expressway going to Tarlac. So ayan guys, medyo narrow yung daan dito, and makikita nyo may mga maraming establishment na dito, may mga residential areas at saka may mga buildings, may mga commercial establishments, and marami ng mga tricycles na nakaparada dito sa mga gilid-gilid, guys. And I think this is the center of Aliabu Town in Nueva Ecija. So yan guys, so para lang ng mga typical small town na makikita ninyo sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Pilipinas, guys. Yan. Okay, so at least I'm giving you a glimpse of what this town can offer. Yan, Aliaga Central School, guys. We are exactly traveling within this town. So pag nag-exit na tayo, guys, I think we will traverse again to the National Highway going to SC Tex Expressway exit to the towns of Nueva Ecija. So yan guys, yan. Okay, may mga bahay-bahay dito, and then so medyo malayo ito sa lugar natin, but since we are traveling through a Philippine Loop Adventure Tour, dadaan tayo sa lugar na ito. But you know, we cannot pass through all the highways in Nueva Ecija. Mas maganda siguro pag dumaan tayo sa Palayan City, Cabanatuan at Gapan, kasi parang may mga historical sites tayo makikita doon, kasi medyo yun yung center of economic here in Nueva Ecija. But anyway, yun naman talaga, if you wish to visit this province again, then we might as well travel to another highway going to the city where I mentioned. So yan guys. So guys, we are back again in the main highway, and we will go on with this direction towards the expressway. So yan, makikita ninyo medyo may mga puno ng kahoy na dito sa gilid ng daan, no? So yan guys. But then again, from here up to several kilometers, we will be seeing again another fast land o mga palayan until we reach the expressway. Yan guys. So medyo may mga malalaking warehouse dito, o warehouses, no? At may mga Ferris wheel pa makikita, no? So yan. Actually, isang Ferris wheel lang yung nakita ako, no? Hindi marami. Probably nagkakaroon ng fiesta celebration sa lugar na yon, kaya nandun pa yung Ferris wheel. So yan. So may mga bahay-bahay na dito guys na makikita ninyo, no? Yan. And then this is now the expressway exit, and eventually we are now entering the SCTEX Tarlac. So guys, until the next episode, thank you for watching. Bye bye.